Well, and then the rain come. It's been raining every day for 4 days now. We had a huge thunderstorm on Sunday night, I believe, or Monday night, I can't remember now, with lots of lightning and flash flooding. The situation at the moment is quite funny because after the fires, because of the burnt ground and everything, there are lots of landslides around. The ground is so dry and hard, the water just runs off and it creates many problems. Our track down here it's impossible now. We have no way to get out of here at the moment. But we are ever so grateful for the rain, for the water, because the grass has started growing rapidly, and it's quite nice sight really, the water. So we have been laughing at the rain and the state of the road and of the track, because what's the point of being desperate again? There's no point. I have to say, it looks like we are living somewhere in the middle of a water field. You can see that. Wow. That is from the roof. We've dug out the channel. I don't know whether even you can hear me or not, because the sound of the rain is very loud. And all the bottom terrace there is underwater now. As Portuguese and Spanish say caramba. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Today is 11th day after the harvest, and the wine is bubbling away nicely. It's beautiful young wine, and it's time to transfer the fermented juices into the vats. We had to buy new vat, 150 litres. So yeah, we have 2 vats available, and hopefully I'm going to fill both of them. Zuzana has to work, so it's up to me today to sort it all out, and it'll be fun, I suppose. Okay, so the first vat is full. That's 150 litres, 150 litres of red wine, ready for second fermentation. Okay, so I have to wash this again and start onto the small one, or smaller. That's well exciting. Okay. A little bit messy job. But that's okay. Nothing a piece of cloth can't redeem. Oh, that is well exciting. Very happy with this. On to the second one. Oh, it's done. I think I could squeeze probably 10 more litres out of there, but I'm knackered. Both of the tanks are full, so 250 litres of wine. I think if Zuzana fancies, she can squeeze some so we have something to drink, fresh. But I'm tired. I don't even know what time it is. Probably 5 o'clock. So I think I've spent eight and a half hours transferring fermenting juices into those 2 vats. Yeah, I am tired. I need drink. Not only wine, but water as well. And just sit down for a while because I can't feel my back anymore. But it's done, so it's great. I'm happy.